Welcome back to another Cosmos Built video. Today we're going to be doing a before and after on this 2024 Chevy 2500, getting a full lift kit wheel and tire setup. I'm going to show you all the parts we use, the install process, and the finished product. We create these videos to help you in your research when buying a lift kit, wheel, and tire setup for your truck. So if you have a 2500 just like this truck and you need help upgrading it, you've clicked on the right video. All right, starting with the lift kit, we're going to be throwing on this 3-inch lift kit from BDS. BDS is one of the top lift kits that you can put on your truck, especially for these 2500 diesels because of the quality engineering they have. So this 3-inch kit comes with BDS Performance UCAs to increase suspension travel and allow for a bigger tire and better performance. Fox 2.0 shocks front and rear for a smooth and fun ride. High-strength cast torsion bar keys, and in the rear, a rear block to give it a leveled stance. Fits up to 37-inch tires, and overall, this is a great kit. It's super smooth and fun to drive. Moving on to the wheels, we did these fresh set of fuel covert in a matte black. So the wheel spec on these are an 18x9 with a +1 offset on an 8x180 bolt pattern. The +1 offset means that the wheel, once it's installed, it's going to be pretty even with the truck's fender line. So this wheel is going to give the truck a mild stance. For the tires, we're going to be throwing on these Nitto Ridge Grappler RTs in a 37-1250 R18. Yeah, so these fuel covers are pretty sick. Like, they got the nicer amount, the right amount of lift. All right, and here's the finished product of this sweet blue 2500 diesel truck with our built package. This blue and chrome High Country looks really good with the matte black fuel covert wheels. And the stance of this lift kit wheel and tire package just makes this High Country look way better than stock and an overall mean and clean look. Take a look at the amount of poke that this +1 offset fuel covert allows you to run on your truck. This is perfect if you're a fan of that mild stance on our built package. And here's the lift kit with the Fox 2.0s. Way smoother ride, way better than stock, and it gives you a nice off-road feel. Those control arms are really a nice detail in the wheel well. All right, and here's the wheel and tire. 37 Nitto Ridge Grapplers with the 18 fuel covert. Just super clean off-road look. This is definitely a setup to be proud to drive. Here's the tread on the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. As you can see, they're pretty aggressive, but they're not too loud because they are classified as an RT tire. and RT is the best of both worlds, combining all-terrain and mud terrain. Solid setup. Every part used in this build is cream of the crop quality. This is one of our signature builds here at Cosmos, the Built Package, which includes a 3 to 4 inch lift kit, 37-inch tires, and your choice of 18, 20, or 22-inch wheels. So if you're ready to take your truck to the next level, send us a message on our website, cosmostruckaccessories.com. Now this thing's ready to be enjoyed. My guy Jerry. Thanks, Jerry. Thanks for bringing it, brother.
Thank you.
What'd you think of the build?
Looks awesome.
Yes.
Happy with it.
Hell yeah, bro. Ready to drive.